Hey WeSo Health Tips family! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we uncover the secrets of nature's most powerful superfoods. Today, we're talking about jackfruit, a tropical treasure that's not only bursting with flavor but also packed with incredible health benefits. Whether you eat it fresh, cook it in stews, or use it as a plant-based meat substitute, jackfruit has something for everyone. If you love learning about natural remedies, holistic wellness, and traditional food wisdom, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WeSo Health Tips. Let's keep spreading the knowledge and building a community that thrives on health. Jackfruit isn't just a delicious treat, it's a nutritional powerhouse that supports many aspects of health. Let's break it down. Rich in antioxidants, jackfruit is loaded with phytonutrients that act as natural warriors against inflammation, cancer risks, and ulcers. These compounds help your body fight oxidative stress and keep cells healthy. Supports digestion. If you struggle with digestion, jackfruit might be the answer. It's high in dietary fiber, which keeps your gut moving, prevents constipation, and nourishes good bacteria. Boosts immunity. Feeling under the weather? The vitamin C in jackfruit strengthens your immune system, helps produce collagen for healthy skin, and aids in faster recovery from colds and infections. Regulates blood sugar. Thanks to its fiber and protein, jackfruit helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial choice for people managing diabetes. The natural sugars in jackfruit are balanced with fiber, preventing spikes in glucose. Heart health. Packed with potassium, jackfruit helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the strain on your heart and supporting cardiovascular health. It's a great way to keep your heart happy. Improves skin and eye health. The vitamin A in jackfruit is a game changer for glowing skin and sharp vision. It protects your eyes from age-related damage and keeps your skin youthful by promoting collagen production. Great meat substitute. The texture of young jackfruit mimics shredded meat, making it a favorite among vegetarians and vegans. Whether you're making jackfruit tacos, burgers, or pulled pork, it's a tasty and nutritious alternative to meat. Jackfruit is not just food, it's fuel for a healthier life. Have you tried it in any Jamaican dishes? Let us know in the comments. Jackfruit isn't just a food, it's a traditional healing plant that has been used for centuries in herbal medicine. Different parts of the jackfruit tree offer various benefits. Used in Ayurvedic medicine, jackfruit leaves are brewed into teas to relieve digestion issues, respiratory problems, and fever. Some cultures use them as a poultice to reduce inflammation. Jackfruit seeds are rich in protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. They help improve digestion, support brain health, and boost energy levels. In Jamaica, seeds are often boiled or roasted for a nutritious snack. The root bark has been used in traditional medicine to treat respiratory issues and promote lung health. In some cultures, extracts from the bark are applied to skin ailments. The milky latex from the jackfruit tree has been applied to wounds, ulcers, and skin infections for its antiseptic properties. It's believed to speed up healing and protect against bacteria. The wood of the jackfruit tree is used in herbal preparations to help regulate blood pressure and calm the nervous system. In some traditions, jackfruit wood is also used to make musical instruments. Who knew one tree could have so many uses? Jackfruit, Artocarpus heterophyllus, has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. It originated in the rainforests of the Western Ghats in India and has been cultivated for over 3,000 to 6,000 years. Fun fact, the name jackfruit comes from the Portuguese word jaca, which was borrowed from the Malayalam word chaka. When Portuguese explorers arrived in India in the 15th century, they carried this fruit to different parts of the world. Over time, jackfruit spread to Southeast Asia, Africa, Brazil, the Caribbean, and Pacific Islands, making it a global sensation. Let's explore how different cultures enjoy this incredible fruit. Jamaica. Fresh and raw, eaten straight from the pod for its sweet, tropical flavor. Stews and curries, young jackfruit is cooked with seasonings, coconut milk, and local spices. Jackfruit seeds, boiled or roasted, enjoyed as a snack or added to meals. Blended into refreshing drinks, mixed with mango or guava for a delicious boost. South Asia, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. Curries, cooked in coconut milk, turmeric, and spices for a rich, hearty dish. Used in sweets like halwa and kheer. Street food, fried jackfruit chips and pakoras are a favorite snack. Southeast Asia, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, Philippines. Jackfruit in sticky rice, a traditional Thai dessert. Jackfruit chips, dried, crunchy jackfruit makes a tasty snack. Bubble tea. Can jackfruit add sweetness to fruit teas? Latin America and Caribbean. Tacos and carnitas, used as a meat substitute in Mexican cuisine. Jackfruit tamales, found in Central American dishes. Panapan, Puerto Rico, used in stews for its hearty texture. Jackfruit's versatility makes it a global superstar. Jackfruit isn't just food, it's a nutrient powerhouse, a traditional remedy, and a culinary gem. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to WeSo Health Tips. Drop a comment below. Have you tried jackfruit before? What's your favorite way to enjoy it? Thanks for watching. See you next time for more health wisdom.